Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix no Wi-Fi networks found but Wi-Fi is turned on Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet, turn on Wi-Fi. Second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Disable and re-enable Wi-Fi adapter. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Run under Network Adapter. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall, after uninstall, click Actions, click Scan for hardware changes. Sixth method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet, click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset, click Reset Now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.